All right. Mark Solomon from YouTube paid me a visit. Brought me a couple bags of chicken. I'm gonna deep fry it. He cooked it sous vide already. Then he battered it. Said all I gotta do is throw it in the fryer. I'm gonna deep fry it and see what it's all about. Thanks, Mark. It's looking good. Let's try it out. It was also, he smoked it too. He smoked it, cooked it sous vide, battered it. All I had to do was throw it in the fryer. It's hot. Hopefully I don't burn myself. That's good. That's good chicken, man. Smoky, delicious. That's what's for dinner tonight. Thanks, Mark.